The term addiction denotes a chronic disorder characterized by a compulsive use of drugs. That's a craving. That is compulsive use of drugs. There is a craving resulting in physical, psychological, social harm, and continued use despite evidence of that harm. Denial. 10 substance classes are DSM-5 alcohol, sedative, hypnotic, anxiolytic, opioid, nicotine stimulant including cocaine, amphetamine related substances, cannabis, synthetic cannabinoid, caffeine, inhalant, hallucinogens, and other dissociative drugs, emerging substance of abuse. So, addiction denotes a chronic disorder characterized by a compulsive usage of the drug. Craving is there, and it resulted in physical, social harm, and continued use despite evidence of that harm.